Melanie and Jean have brought us together here for an occasion of great joy and a cause for great celebration. Having found each other over 20 years ago, they have built the kind of relationship that will serve them well as the foundation for their marriage. Love is a deep unity, maintained by the will and deliberately strengthened by habit, reinforced by dedication. They can have this love for each other even at those moments when they do not like each other. As you love yourself, even when you do not like yourself. Jean, will you take Melanie to be your lawfully wedded wife and travel the rest of life's roads with her? Will you love her, laugh, comfort her, honor and protect her, and forsake all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Melanie, will you take Jean to be your lawfully wedded husband and travel the rest of life's roads with him? Will you love him, laugh with him, comfort him, honor and protect him, and forsake all others, be faithful to him as you both shall live?
Are you sure? I do.
Can the ring bearer please bring the rings forward?
Melanie, with this ring, I promise you, you'll never have to face the world alone.
Jean, I vow to ignore your hours of video game playing because I'll be too busy bringing in more cats for you to notice.
It's left.
That is your left.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
Melanie and Jean have chosen to have a unity plant to begin their lives as a married couple.
The plant we have chosen for our unity plant is called a maranta, also known as the prayer plant. The leaves on this plant curl up at night like praying hands. The prayer plant we are using today comes from a clipping of a plant that has been in my family for 3 generations, starting with my babci, also known as my great-grandmother. My grandmother has a piece of the original plant and has given cuttings to all of her children. Now, Jean and I will have a piece of this special plant. It has been planted with soil collected from several family members. We have chosen to continue the family tradition of owning this plant.
Melanie and Jean, no one can declare yourselves married. You have begun it here today in speaking your vows before your family and friends, and you will do it again in the days and years to come, standing by each other, sharing all that is sweet and bitter in life. Each tender act, each loving word will be the declaration of what was made here today. Therefore, it is my joyful responsibility to officially acknowledge your union as husband and wife. You may now seal your marriage with a kiss. Ladies and gentlemen, Jean and Melanie Garber.